will give you a better Pakistan. Today, I only demand for peace, and I assure you that I will give you a great Pakistan, developing Pakistan, flourishing Pakistan, progressive Pakistan, secure Pakistan, and an exemplary Pakistan. The universal meaning of peace defines a state which provides inner satisfaction. But in our country, it is growing in our dreams and has been created a dilemma. Uncertainty, insecurity, inequality, dishonesty, disintegrity, and suppressibility have damaged our creativity, ability, majority, productivity, positivity, and stigma of thought. Mr. President, are you ready to give me peace and enable me to give you a great Pakistan where if I am going to school and then terrorists come and open uncountable fire at me and I am dead, just like happened at Army Public School Peshawar? Where if I am going to mosque to pray and a suicidal comes and attacks and my parents receive my dead body, just like happening in all over the mosque in Pakistan, where if I am traveling in a bus and my brain leaves a bullet and I am dead, just like happened at Karachi, where if I am serving for a few pennies in a factory to support my parents and again I am burned and finished without any reason, where if I am serving as a guard in the borderline of my country and my chest is hit with discharge and missile and I am blown into pieces and just titled as Shaheed and my history ends at last but not the least. I make my country a nuclear state. Being an engineer and scientist, I am just rewarded with detection and kept behind the bars, just like happened with Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. Mr. President, would you please give me peace to give great Pakistan? Oh my Lord, sir, at present the greatest problem that Pakistan is facing is terrorism. It has become the headache for federation and a nightmare for public. Though it is a global issue, but Pakistan has to bear one for it. Nobody understands terrorism like Pakistani. It has badly affected the socio-economic development of Pakistan. Mr. President, where is the peace? Would anybody give me peace? Anybody? Mother Teresa said lovely words about peace. If we have not peace, that it is because we have forgotten that we belong to each other. Mr. President, let me know to you that peace begins with a smile. Peace is the mother of fraternity. Peace is the mother of progress. Yes, Mr. President, yes. If peace begins with smile, then it starts with me. I am the soul of peace. I am the sign of peace. You would have to save me, I will give you a safe Pakistan. You would have to flourish me, I will give you a flying Pakistan. And you would have to grow me, I will give you a great Pakistan. Pakistan, Zindagi! Pakistan, Zindagi!